Say you're building an agent for enterprise customers. Your first customer hands you a service account token. Your agent uses it to make a tool call on behalf of the customer. It works. Then you add another tool, and then one more. Same pattern every time, so you stop thinking about it. Then the next customers arrive and each hands you the same thing. One service account for their entire company. 3 months later, one of those tokens expires. Nothing alerts you. The agent calls keeps failing silently. And it isn't just one person's workflow that this expired token would break, but for everyone at that company who were on that one token. And you're holding such token for every customer you have. Then a customer asks what your agent did with their data last Tuesday, and there's no way to answer which token, which user, which org. So put something real there. One layer that owns every connection. An auth layer between your agent and everything it touches. That's what Scalekit is. Here's how Scalekit solves the agent auth challenge. Every user in every org connects as themselves, so one customer can't reach another's data. Nothing is shared. That isn't a rule you enforce, it's how the credentials are stored by design. And every credential for every connection moves into Scalekit's vault. And Scalekit refreshes these proactively to avoid injecting expired tokens in agents' tool call requests. Your code never holds any tokens at all. So you have to execute just one call instead of building all of the agent auth scaffolding. The agent asks what tools it has on behalf of a user, and it gets back only what the user is allowed to touch. If the user can't do it, neither can the agent. When an agent attempts a tool call, mid-flight, the vault attaches that person's credential to it. The agent never sees the user credential, and so it never stores it by design. You can also bundle tools per agent and create use case-specific virtual MCP servers. So, a support agent gets support tools. Research agent gets its own set of tools. That means the agent doesn't carry the access to tools that it doesn't need. That saves you from context rot by up to 80% and results in better efficiency with shorter prompts, lower cost, and reducing the surface area to go wrong. By the way, remember the audit log question that nobody could answer? Now it's just a click away. Every tool call the agent made, which person, which customer, what it touched. All of that is logged. And the failures come sorted, the ones you caused and the ones the connector caused. With Scalekit as your auth layer, onboarding new customers is a cakewalk, 10 of them or a few hundred. Nobody shares an identity with anyone. A new connector is a switch that you turn on. Gong, HubSpot, Zendesk, whatever is the next tool your agent needs. You're not writing auth for any of it. And you'll not be dealing with the messy OAuth flows or token rotation logic, which leaves you with the actual agent, which was the interesting part anyway. So, you build the agent. Scalekit will handle the connection layer for you. Start today with 5,000 free tool calls. That's scalekit.com.